Hi, and welcome to Qigong Live Online today. This is the beginners class. So we're going to do Qigong exercise for beginners today. Nice and simple ones. We're going to do four exercises. Hold up five. I'm dyslexic. We're going to hold up 5 exercises, and they're very simple. I'm going to talk you through all of them. I'm going to show you how to do them, and then at the end we're going to do the whole lot in continuous without a break. Yep. Okay. So the first one's called wave hands over the lake. So I've picked 5 really simple Qigong exercises so no matter what level you are, you can do these exercises. They're really super simple. I'll talk about the breathing for them. So wave hands over the lake comes from the Taiji Qigong system. And it's a very, very first exercise. Why it's the number 1 out of 18 exercises, number 1. So you bring your hands up to the front and then you lower your hands down. So don't take them above your shoulders. And you have your arms slightly bent and you breathe in when it comes up and breathe out when it comes down. Nice and simple. Have your feet about 1 shoulder width apart or one foot space apart. You can use your foot space to either side of it. Breathing in and breathing out. Nice and simple. Try and let your arms float so you feel like your energy is moving your arms, so you're trying to use as less amount of muscles as possible. And let's let the energy float your arms. Good. We'll breathe in and breathe out. Good. Do one more. Breathe in. Breathe out. This is good for your lungs and your kidneys, yeah? I've picked one for each of the organs, major organs. Good. The next one's called rowing the boat in the middle of the lake, and this is from the Shubha system as well. So you're going to lower yourself down, turn your palms to the front. The arms just go straight back, just big circles with your arms. And then bring them down the front and you lower yourself down. Keep your bottom tucked forward. Keep your back nice and straight. Turn your palms to the front to the bottom. And then big breath in. And a big breath out. Breathing in. And then breathing out. Nice and simple. Keep your arms, the arms aren't completely straight. There's a slight bend in your arms. We'll do it one more time. Breathing in. It's a slight bend in your arms. And breathing out. Good. Next one's called embrace the mountain. So rowing the boats in the middle of the lake is good for your spleen and your stomach. So embrace the mountain, which is the next one, is good for your heart. So your hands are going to come forward. Just like the first exercise. This time palms are going to face each other. And we're going to rock forward onto the front part of your feet. Keep your heels on the ground. We're going to rock back onto your heels as we close. And bring your hands down. Stay on your heels. Stay on your heels as you bring your arms up. And then as you open, rock forward in the balls of your feet. And then rock back to your heels as we close. Great. This is for the heart. Actually for the lungs and the heart. Breathing in. That's a long, slow breath in. Keep breathing in as you open. Breathe out. Breathing in. Long breath in. And breathe out. Close. Good. Next exercise is for the liver this one. So we're picking an exercise that's the wood exercise from 5-element Qigong. Yep. So we're going to turn your hands over and pull them onto your hips this way. Then you're going to use your right hand first on breathe. Take a breath in and you breathe out. As you breathe out, the hand comes out and the fist turns right over. So the fist is facing upside down and directly in line of yourself. Take a breath in. Then breathe out there, and one hand goes out, one comes back, and it gets halfway across. It's like holding the steering wheel of a car, and then the other hand goes out, fist facing down to the front, right in front of your body. Take a breath in. So there's no movement as you pause the breath, and then breathe out, both hands move together. This is good for your liver. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Very good. Take a breath in. Breathe out. course, the liver has lots of different functions in traditional Chinese medicine. So as it has different functions than Western medicine, it has energetic functions as seen in traditional Chinese medicine. So the liver, the spleen, the heart, the lungs all have different functions, energetic functions. Breathe out. Good. Now, as you do this, you move your hips. Your hips move. Take a breath in. And as you move forward, the hips are moving, and the hips move your arms. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Perfect. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Really simple exercises. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Now leave the hand on the hips. And breathe in. And then breathe the other hand, turn it upside down back onto your hips again. And turn both hands over and return to the T, to the lower dantian. Good. Now the last exercise is called Nature's Fragrance Drifts Up from the Stream. Really long name, very simple exercise. The hands come up. It's the last exercise in the Shubha system. Come up to your bottom lip, and then you bring your hands down. Now, this is a regulation exercise that returns the chi to the lower dantian and balances all the organs. So we've done the lungs, the kidneys, the spleen, the heart, and the liver. Just in those 4 exercises. Yeah, nice and simple. A really simple exercise you could do every day. Breathing in. And then breathing out. We'll do one more. Breathing in. And breathing out. So we're going to do a complete set of those exercises for you. We'll do them with one go without stopping. Yeah. So we're going to do 3 exercises, 3 rotations of each exercise, right to the end. We'll do 3. Now, when we're doing the fist, we'll do 3 each side. Yep. And all the rest will be 3, 3, 3, and 3, and this one will be 3 each side. Very cool. So start from the bottom. Wave hands like the leg. Take a breath in. And then breathe out. Breathing in. Long, slow, quiet breath in. Long, slow, quiet breath out. Last one. Breathing in. Breathing out. Go into rowing the boat in the middle of the lake. Lower yourself down. Keep your back straight. Turn your palms to the front. Breathing in. Maybe that's good for the spleen. Lower yourself down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Last one. Breathing in. And then breathing out. Embrace the mountains. Good for your heart. Rock back onto your heels to start with. Bring your hands up to the front. Rocking forward into your toes as you open. Breathing in. Rocking back on your heels as you close. Long, it's a long in breath, long out breath. Breathing in. Keep breathing in. Breathing out. Keep breathing out. One more. Breathing in. Breathing out. Keep breathing out. Very good. The last one for the liver. Turn both hands over, fists on your hips. Take a breath in. Breathe out with the right hand. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Swap the hands. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Breath in. Breathe out. Breath in. Breathe out. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. Bring the hand back down to your hips. Turn both hands. Return the chi to the lower dantian. Nature's fragrance. Breathing in as it comes up. Breathing out as it goes down. Breathe in as it comes up. Breathing out as it goes down. Last one. And breathe out. Now we're going to do that set again. So we have a second practice. So the first one is wave hands over the lake for the lungs and the kidneys. Breathing in and breathe out. Breathing in and out through your nose. Breathing out. Rowing the boat in the middle of the lake for the spleen. Bending down, keep your bottom, bring your back straight. Breathing in. And then breathing out. Breathe in and out through your nose for all of these exercises. Breathing in. Breathe out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Embrace the mountains for your heart. Rock back onto your heels. Breathing in as the hands come up. Rocking forward as you open. Keep breathing in. Rock back, breathing out. Long, slow in breath. Long, slow out breath. Breathing in. Wood exercise from 5 elements for the liver. Turn your hands over, both fists on your hips. Take a breath in. Breathe out. Take a breath in. Breathe out. And that fist comes straight in front of your heart, yeah? Take a breath in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Bring the hand back down. Rest it on your hips. Turn both hands, return the chi to the lower dantian. Nature's fragrance, breathing in from the bottom. Breathing out when you go down. In from the bottom. Out when it goes down. One more time. And then breathe out. Good. And we'll bow. Bring your legs together. Hands on the side of your body, on your thumbs. Roll back onto your thumbs. Lift the left hand underneath, right hand on top. 2 thumbs together. Go. Make a fist with your left hand, cover it with your right. Bring it towards your heart and down to your physical center. Good. Take a step back. Bow to each other. So there's a nice simple Qigong practice you can do every day. You can do this one, a particular practice in the morning and at night if you like it. It only takes you about 5 minutes for both practices. Or you can do them, 2 of them. We did them 2 of them back to back, or you just do one practice. It's fine. That's enough. And you'll see how different you are. You see how quiet your mind is. You'll see how your breathing's slow, and you'll see your heartbeat slow down as well. Very good way to start the day and a very good way to end the day. Have a beautiful week, everybody. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.